Okay, 9.4, what we're going to deal with here is kind of geometric sequences and exponential. Okay, just like anything else, if you've got numbers stacking up 2, 6, 18, okay, 54, you go A is 2, but there are differences in constants, so it's not arithmetic. We're getting to the stage, is this arithmetic? No, then it's probably geometric. Geometric, or is 3, so increases by 3 each and every time. So we come along and we go T of n is A or n minus 1, which is pretty simple. A is 2, or is 3, n minus 1. That's all you want. So if they said what's in the 7 series, you go 2 by 3 by 7 minus 1, that's 2 by 3 to the power of 6. Okay? Now, that's really basic. Everybody should get that. The only thing that they can really, if you're looking at this, you've got T of n is A or n minus 1. Okay? So we're looking at this, and if I said what sequence will it be equal to, I'm trying to work this out in my head, 162. Okay, A is 2, or is 3, n minus 1, divided by 2, that is 81, that's 3, n minus 1, use your logs, ln 81, ln 3, n minus 1, n minus 1 is ln 3, ln 81, and then you go n minus 1, ln 81 over ln 3. There we are sorted. Throw it into your calculators. Now, a couple of examples that I want to highlight to you is example 4. Okay, example 4 is where they got the following: a product of 3 terms in geometrics 2, 1, 6, and their sum is 21. Given the common ratio is less than 1, find the first 3 terms of the sequence. So for this, they go A over or, A, and A or. Okay, kind of what we normally would have done would have been A or, and A or to the power 2. That would have worked as well. Okay, now if you think, I'll show you both ways. So the first way that they would have done, the product is A or over A by A or. That or cancels with that. Now that answer is A to the power 3 equals to 216. Easy to get out there. This here would have given us A by A or squared. That would have given us A to the power 3 or to the power 3 equals to 81. Okay, not ideal. The next one says the sum here is A over or by A plus A or equals, the sum is 21. Now we know what A is, it's easier to work out. Okay, to find out what or is. In this circumstance, I don't know what A is, so I would have got this. I could have divided everything by 3, and that would have worked out as 3 by 3. Hold on, that would have worked out as, sorry, that's 216. So that would have worked out as 6. So I would have now done or equals to 6 over A, and I would have subbed it in here and then had to go back. So it would have just taken me an extra step. So if you're looking at this next one, A plus A or squared equals to 21. I will now go A plus A by 6 over A plus A by 6 over A squared equals 21. That cancels. I'm going to get a quadratic. I'm going to get 2 values for A. Only one is going to be correct because there's only going to be one positive number. Yeah, take that into consideration there for that one. Now, you have to go back to this. Whenever you're ended up in this situation, use your logs. Use your logs there for working it out. The other thing that you've got to be careful of, if I say that bacteria is spreading, in the beginning it's 2, and then it goes 4, 8, 16, 32, so on and so forth. In the beginning, 0. Yeah. then that's after 1 day. So in the beginning there was 0. Yeah, when we started measuring. So our t of n was a or n minus 1. No longer for that. It's a or n. Once again, not shown in the book. So if I said after 20 days we would have had 2 by 2, because or is 2. How do we get or? T2 over T1, and then by 20. And I'll give us some massive answer. Okay? Now, for the 5th years, this is easy enough topic here. I want you to do question 1 to 9, and then the next night do 10 to 20. Okay, just get your heads around this. Right, good work.